All right, folks, I wanted to make a quick video to discuss shorting stocks and shorting crypto. So, shorting is not something I like to do a lot. It just really depends on the market sentiment and obviously what our indicators are telling us. So, you guys know that our buying strategy is to buy these green dots when this wave is down here below the white line. That normally comes after a significant pullback here, just like Bitcoin did. So, if you guys are following the channel and following along over here in the Discord, you saw that I shorted Bitcoin a couple weeks ago. We made 250% on these contracts. So the thing about the markets is people get one dimensional, right? They think that, hey, it can only just go one way. But in reality, you can make money going both ways, right? We bought a put over here. So a put is pretty much just a trade saying, hey, this stock or this asset is going down. And when the asset goes down, like it did right here, okay, you can benefit from this move. And I'll talk about why I took this position here in just a second. But again, we cashed out 250% on these puts. So now what we can do is we can take our profits and our position and we can roll it back over into a long position. So the reason I shorted Bitcoin, right? We called this green dot out right here back in December, on December 15th. That was a long signal. All this signal means is that, hey, this is the potential bottom. It doesn't mean 100% all in. This is the bottom. There's no indicator. There is no strategy. There is no way to be 100% in the market. So what do? We have strategies like shorting stocks that protect us to the downside. So when Bitcoin printed that green dot right here on the 15th, that was on this candle right here, December 15th. That came at 80, probably around 87,000 right there, right? And we said, right, when that green dot came, hey, 80,000, if this dot is for real, right, 80,000 is support. And this was the bottom for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It was the bottom for 10 weeks. That's 2 months. Okay, this is a weekly chart, guys. We're not day traders. We trade the macro time frames. So this signal was the bottom for 2.5 months. Okay, that's 10 weeks right there. Okay, and what happened was we got a red dot right here on January. That was the week of January 22nd, and that came on this candle right here. And what did that do? It broke down below our $80,000 support. So what did we do? We opened up a short position. So we took a put. Okay, and if you guys are not familiar with puts and calls, I do have an options course over here you guys can take. Okay, right here in the options course thread right here, you guys can enroll in that right here to learn more about how to buy and sell stock options. But it's really simple, really. I mean, it doesn't have to be complicated. The red dot is where we take a short. The green dot is where we take a long. Okay, so if we get a green dot and then a red dot, we can still benefit from Bitcoin going down. And that's just what we did, as you can see here, for that 250% move. Now we're taking this and we're putting it into a long position once we get the green dot here.